Hi students, my name is Teacher Marianne and today we are going to read Mursal's Trip to School. Let's get started. It's snowing today. It's windy outside and it looks really cold. All of this white powder is snow and it's very cold and the wind is blowing. Mursal wants to stay in her warm bed, but she has to go to school. This is Mursal. She is comfortable and happy in her bed, but she has to go to school. She walks to the bus stop and waits for the bus. This is the bus stop, where the bus will pick up Mursal. She looks cold. The bus is very late and Mursal is freezing. Oh no, the bus is taking a long time and Mursal is freezing cold. She forgot her tuck at home. Her ears are numb, so she does not have a hat to keep her ears warm. Finally, the bus comes. Awesome. The bus is here to pick up Mursal. Mursal gets on the bus. She walks up the steps to get on the bus. She shows her pass to the driver and sits down. This is Mursal's bus pass. She shows it to the driver. Mursal takes off her gloves and puts her warm hands over her ears. These are her gloves. She takes them off and her hands are warm, so she puts them on her ears. In a few minutes, her ears are warm, but they burn. So now her ears went from super cold to super hot, so they're burning. Mursal rides the bus to the train station. She is on the bus going to the train station. Before Mursal gets off the bus, she covers her ears with her scarf. This is smart. Her scarf can protect her ears from the cold. When Mursal gets to the train station, she gets off the bus and waits for the train. So now Mursal gets off the bus and she has to wait some more for the train. Finally, the train comes. The train is here. The train is full, so Mursal has to wait for the next one. The train has so many people inside that Mursal cannot get on. She will wait some more. She has to wait for a long time. Mursal's ears are cold again. She is spending a lot of time outside in the cold, trying to get to school. Finally, another train comes. Okay, this is the second train. Hopefully Mursal can get on the train. Mursal is happy because this train has empty seats. These seats are empty, so she can sit there. Mursal gets on the train and finds a seat. This is Mursal's seat. Finally, Mursal gets to school. She is now at school after a long morning of traveling. She is late, but everyone is happy to see her. So she gets there after school started, but everyone is happy. At the break, Mursal tells her classmates about her burning ears. Mursal's classmates tell her to see the nurse. Maybe she has frostbite. This is the nurse at Mursal's school. Mursal's classmates think she might have frostbite when your body gets so cold it needs help from a doctor. Mursal is very happy to be warm. She is happy because she has friends to help her. Mursal is warm now, and her friends are taking care of her. She is so happy. The end. Thank you for watching, students. I hope you have a great day. Bye.